Oh, Jesus.
Okay, put your flashers on.
Contact Greenfield. Vehicle just made contact with another vehicle on 76th and Layton. Contact the FD. The vehicle started on fire.
Hey, this is Big B. This is my new single, Here Comes the Lightning. Right here on Scratch. That wasn't too bad.
Small amount. 48, 48, This is the circus. It's a family thing. You wouldn't understand. Oh, yeah. Adrian, I wish you'd showed me this off the air because somebody just found a little Christmas present for someone else. There's a T-shirt that says it's a family thing. You wouldn't understand, and it says tacked on it. Yeah, exactly. It'll just say Travis's mom on an envelope, and you just hope it gets to her. Yeah, let's say mailing a letter to Santa or letting...
Как вы в целом оцениваете итоги саммита и на какие заявления, на ваш взгляд, стоит обратить особое внимание?
Конечно, очень напряженной была реакция западных лидеров на позицию, которую президент России высказывал по Украине. И несмотря на то, что украинский вопрос не был в повестке дня, тем не менее, это стало на самом деле реальным гвоздем программы, что называется.
Главы МИД ЕС, известно, завтра вновь рассмотрят ситуацию с санкциями в отношении России. На ваш взгляд, стоит ли ожидать их пересмотра все-таки?
Никаких формальных оснований, даже если...
Stop. Oh, shit!
Quiero que ella mueva su cuerpo, quiero que la pista baile, quiero tocar tu cuerpo, quiero que lo bailes lento, quiero que ella mueva su cuerpo, quiero que la pista baile.
And if you had like kind of hinted at like asking me out, I'd probably like
Jesus.
holy shit.
I had that on video as well. Fucking idiot, dude.
Tabarnak. Il est sur le top. Non, ça vient de se faire là. Moi, je l'ai pas vu, j'ai juste vu la finale.
A very well thought of circuit judge on the Federal Court of Appeals, one level below the U.S. Supreme Court, who's serves in the New Jersey.
Well, I've said this because I've done the Celebrity Apprentice.
You kidding me, asshole?
Well, first things first. Yeah, maybe you want to say Daddy's funny. You want to say Daddy was a real estate mogul. I'll put this question to you.
Want me to call you an ambulance? Ma'am, would you like me to call you an ambulance?
Where were you parked again? Like
across, right outside Public Gardens.
what did he do?
She fucking hit me.
Holy shit. Where was she going? Oh, she's pulling over, right?
She just didn't look. She better be pulling over.
She just pulled right into you?
Yeah, she did.
People in my family started rimming them with Old Bay. Their beers? Yeah. And tastes like you're drinking beer with Old Bay. Like, I don't think it's really that good. They're just kind of obsessed with it because they're all still in Maryland. Okay. But it kind of makes me think of this guy. Like, did somebody tell him to do this trick and now he thinks? So should we put sugar, salt, any kind of season? Just don't rim your beer. I know that sounds ridiculous. No man should rim his beer. I don't think any man should.
Except for the Viper. And the Hellcat.
They literally do not build anything good, I promise you that. It may appear good on the outside, but oh my gosh, it's a fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh fuck!
Holy fucking shit. We need to get out.
Slow down.
Holy fuck.
Where are they coming from?
I don't know. Oh shit! Yep, we got hit. We got hit. We just got hit. Damn it.
I had my...
Shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Then go around me. Go around me.
If you're in my way, I'm gonna fucking run up your fucking asshole.
Have some respect. What fucking sidewalk, doofus? D.